Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a juicy topic that's all about the incredible benefits of eating green peppers daily. But before we dive in, let me share a little story. A few years ago, I started incorporating green peppers into my daily meals, and the results were astonishing. So I decided to research and share all the fantastic health benefits with you today. Stick around to learn why you should consider making green peppers a part of your daily diet. Let's kick things off with the health benefits of green peppers. They are a nutritional powerhouse in addition to being a colorful accent to your menu. Because of their high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content, green peppers are an excellent choice for improving your general health. Additionally, they have a very low calorie count, so you can eat them guilt-free. If you're looking to manage your weight, green peppers are your friend. Low calorie. Green peppers are an excellent complement to any weight loss regimen because of their exceptionally low calorie content. Green peppers are low in calories. You can enjoy a cup of sliced peppers without thinking about how many calories they contain. High in fiber. Green peppers are an excellent source of fiber, which is important for controlling weight. Fiber helps you feel satisfied for longer periods of time, which lessens the desire to eat unhealthy snacks in between meals. Crunchy and satisfying. The satisfying crunch of green peppers can help curb your cravings for high-calorie, less nutritious snacks. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, try munching on some green pepper slices. Versatile and filling. Green peppers work well in a variety of recipes such as stir-fries and salads. They provide your meals more substance without significantly increasing the quantity of calories. Later on, we'll provide you with some delicious dishes to help you incorporate them into your diet. Support for portion control. By adding green peppers to your meals, you can make your portions look more substantial without adding extra calories. This visual trick can help you feel more satisfied with smaller portions. So if you're looking to shed some pounds or maintain your weight, consider making green peppers a regular part of your daily menu. They're not only nutritious, but also a fantastic ally in your weight management efforts. Green peppers are also very beneficial for your digestive system. They can aid in controlling your bowel motions and preventing constipation because of their high fiber content. Who knew that a small amount of green pepper could have such a positive impact on the health of your digestive system? Next up, let's talk about heart health. Green peppers are heart-healthy superheroes. Packed with antioxidants, they can reduce the risk of heart disease. Green peppers are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and other phytonutrients. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the buildup of plaque in your arteries. Packed with potassium, they're an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that's essential for controlling blood pressure. Green peppers and other foods high in potassium can help lower blood pressure, which lowers the risk of hypertension and associated cardiac issues. Lowering bad cholesterol. The fiber in green peppers has a positive impact on your heart health by helping to reduce LDL cholesterol levels, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Lower LDL levels can lead to a healthier cardiovascular system. Anti-inflammatory properties. Heart disease can result from long-term inflammation that damages your arteries. Due to their anti-inflammatory qualities, green peppers may help lessen inflammation and its detrimental effects on the heart. Improving blood circulation. The nutrients in green peppers contribute to better blood circulation, ensuring that your heart gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function at its best. So, if you're looking to maintain a healthy heart and reduce your risk of heart disease, consider adding green peppers to your daily diet. Their antioxidant-rich, potassium-packed, and anti-inflammatory properties can make a significant difference in your cardiovascular health. Let's spice things up with some fun and fascinating facts about these vibrant veggies. Did you know that green peppers are technically a fruit, not a vegetable? They contain seeds and grow from the flowering part of the pepper plant. Green peppers were cultivated by indigenous peoples in the Americas for thousands of years. They've been enjoyed as a food source since ancient times. Green peppers can be green, red, yellow, or even purple. That's right, they come in a rainbow of colors, and each shade has its unique flavor profile. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Let's see how eating green peppers can strengthen your immune system now. Green peppers' strong vitamin C content can strengthen your immune system and help you fend off common colds. Discover how eating enough green peppers every day can strengthen your defenses. Green peppers aren't just good for your overall health. They can also work wonders for your skin and hair. Here's a closer look at how green peppers can enhance your natural beauty. Vitamins A and C for radiant skin. Green peppers are rich in both vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A is known for promoting skin health by supporting collagen production and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that can brighten your skin, even out your complexion, and provide protection against UV damage. Elasticity and hydration. Green pepper's high water content keeps your skin hydrated, giving it a youthful, plump appearance. Furthermore, this hydration might increase your skin's elasticity and lessen the chance of sagging. Control of acne and blemishes. By lowering inflammation and encouraging a clearer complexion, the antioxidants in green peppers can help manage acne and blemishes. For an effective solution to these problems, you can even make your own green pepper-based face mask. Hair, health and growth. Vital nutrients for healthy hair growth, such as folic acid and biotin, are found in green peppers. These nutrients fortify hair, shield it from damage, and encourage a glossy mane. Green peppers may therefore become your new go-to if you want to preserve healthy, glowing skin and strong, gorgeous hair. A word of caution: while green peppers offer a multitude of health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a specific health condition or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Before we sign off, I'd love to hear about your experiences with green peppers. Have you already incorporated them into your daily meals, or are you planning to start? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this information on the benefits of eating green peppers daily helpful and inspiring. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite green peppers recipes, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and enjoy your green peppers. See you in the next video.